is your favorite body part on a man?
What the fuck? I'll make a bitch say, hey, bow. Front row, shake it.
You a bad bitch.
Huh?
I did get that on the camera. Icy out for no reason. Spring. Why is there snow on the ground, Gio? It's spring.
I don't know.
This is the spring tour.
Fuck that.
Why is there?
Fuck that.
Yeah.
That's the best part, man. Get it. Bro, here's my thing. I always gotta undress before people come, and then I take it off. Yeah, 5 minutes after, bro. I sweat too much.
Let's see how everybody's feeling. All right, wonderful assistants.
Brother! Hi, brother.
What's up, brother?
This is our wonderful bartender, Bellamy. Bartender.
Brother.
What's up, brother? What's up, brother? He's got a hangnail, brother. Welcome to the vlog, brother. I'll take a shot of something. We're taking a shot of something.
Riding through the... Come on, Mason. Kickoff tour 2024.
Don't taste like anything.
I know. Wrong too.
Ew, nigga, ew.
The mystery shot, don't look.
Mystery shot 101.
Mystery shot.
Mystery shots.
Yeah,
Start
buddy.
tour.
Mystery shot. Don't smell it, no nothing. Just throw it back. Hey, yo.
Wow.
You have to ask her. I'm not asking her. Ew. 1, 2, 3, one time, make some motherfucking noise!
Me, it's tragic, cause we had it, we was magic.
I never get drunk.
You're drunk right now?
I'm drunk right now. Not gonna. We got a snowstorm that we gotta drive through to get home. I'm drunk.
No, I'm valid, but driving home is crazy. My mom, everybody just...
Yeah, everyone is telling me that.
Everybody just texted me and told me it's not that.
Okay, ready?
I can't, bro.
1,
Wait.
My stomach hurts so
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Keep your thumb straight. You're a cheater. Come on, what the fuck?
You cheated, bro. Stop playing.
You're using
Stop,
too
just
many.
keep moving your hand, bro.
Okay. You're cheating. That's cheating.
1, 2, 3.
It's the first day. Well, it's spring. That's all that matters. It's spring. We at Utica today. We just killed Oswego last night. What is this? Day 2 of tour? Like actual tour days.
Yeah, we got shows.
So we got Utica tonight. Utica always shows out, bro. Always.
We almost hit a snowbank too.
They know how to do it here, so we're gonna turn it up tonight. Promise. Promise. Behind the camera too, you know.
Hi, this is BK the assistant. We're setting up. It's very cold. There's lots of snow. Mason's doing a bungee dance. What do you? That's it. I gotta go home. Stop, and then you.
No, like you gotta
stop it.
Yeah.
I'm moving this way, right?
We live. This is a live.
There's a lot of confetti.
+2.
It may have been 1. I don't remember.
Backseat love. Yeah. I got you right where I want you, little nigga.
Yeah, I got you right there.
You gonna be busy tonight? I don't know with the weather. Hell yes. We're pre-gaming right now. Well, when it's supposed to snow?
No, I'm gonna start shoveling this shit so that...
You don't have a fucking snowblower?
No, bitch, it's a hard. We don't have a snow blower.
Doing a whole lot of nothing.
No, I don't love her. I'm a beat this fucker. I don't know this part. I got all day. Jelly, my dick goes spray.
Better way.
I'm about to make a quick, I'm about to make some bread real quick. I'll meet y'all, sir.
You're singing every song. I'm set on cruise control. I'm slowly losing. Every time you come around my London bridge, wanna go down like wanna go down like we going down like. Every time you come around my London bridge, wanna go down like. Let's go fly. And touch this. Can't stop, 'cause we're so high. One more time. We can get caught. Let's go out soon. Okay, let's get it out. Do you hear me? My body and the Nicky. Rest in peace to Anna Coleman. Yes, my name is so exclusive. Say hey to me every night and y'all say, now I'm talking about my girlfriend.
I want to say, for the one time, I'm so proud of this motherfucker, bro. We got a whole month ahead of us, bro.
We got a month and a half.
A month and a half, bro. Look at what we did tonight, bro. Look at what we did tonight, bro.
This shit crazy, bro.
I'm so proud of this motherfucker,
People don't
bro.
get it, yo. This shit means so much to me, bro.
Bro,
this shit crazy.
And the fact that I'm a part of this now, bro, even better. So all I'm gonna say is, just stay tuned for what we got coming, bro. Also, no fight. No fight at the Harp.
Get the fuck over here. We're not done yet.
Facts. Sorry for cussing, brother. Sorry for mentioning fighting, brother. Tuesday.
This is from the bottom, bro.
Come on.
We are working hard every single day for y'all, for everything that's gonna come to us.
Bro.
Everybody that supports us, everybody that's been with us from day one, we love you, for real. We're gonna grow this shit to the top.